Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and I thought I would share a different part of my business that I don't normally talk about. Now, in addition to my craft tutorials and the art that I make to sell and the workshops I teach, I'm also a licensed designer. So what exactly is that? I illustrate or draw designs that I sell to companies or license to companies, and then they mass produce them to sell to different retailers. You can see that with my greeting card collection, journals and calendars, fabrics, craft supplies, but one of my favorites is designing ceramics for paint on pottery studios. So it does seem like a very niche category, but it is a glorious one. I love paint on pottery studios because there are hundreds of them all over the country, and they're all run by entrepreneurs. And this is where you go into a paint on pottery studio and you see all of that beautiful white bisque. You have to choose your pieces that you're going to glaze. Well, I designed that bisque, not all of it. I have my own Crafty Chica line, and there's a lot of other designers that design bisque as well. Let me show you some new pieces I designed. First up, this is a ceramic vase that looks like a prayer candle. It has these cute embossed designs. You can use craft paint, or you can use ceramic glazes and fire it in the kiln. I think it also would work great with DTF vinyl transfers. Okay, here's a little eye of protection ring dish that has an inset design that you can follow along. And I love this one. It's a heart shape with the little flames at the top, a little corazón sagrado, and now you can paint your own version of it. And here it is glazed. My next video is going to show how I painted this mug with different textures. I made these fluffy clouds so you can think about your dreams as you're sipping on your cafecito. This one is from my last collection, but I had it on hand, so I thought I would share it. It's a little luminaria. You can hang it. You could put a little tea light or candle. I have two versions of this. In case you're thinking, Kathy, how can I get a hold of these ceramics? There's two ways. The first way is to go to a directory online called mypotteryplace.com. You can put in your zip code and it will populate the different studios that are in your area. Or if you know of a favorite studio that you have in your town, you can go in there and ask them. And the second way, if you have a business license and you teach workshops, or you have some kind of craft studio where you want to incorporate these projects, you can DM me and I will send you the connection to the manufacturer so you can order these wholesale. The coffee mugs have to be glazed and fired in a kiln to make them food safe, but everything else you can use craft paints and varnish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to visit craftychica.com for more craft tutorials. I have a whole bunch of new craft tutorials over there. Okay, bye-bye.